Uppa, he's the one. She pointed her finger towards him. William, don't you have any shame teasing a young girl like that? He held his collar. So what if I tease her? Is she a... She's like a sister to me. He gave a tight slap on his face. Again, if you tease her, you won't see yourself in the mirror again. Hereafter, I won't do like that. I'm sorry, Jungkook. Apologize to her, not me. I'm sorry, Daisy. I won't do like that to you again. Okay, Uppa, I need to go to my class. She went away, and even William went away to his class. Excuse me, can you say where's the staff room? It's on the left side from here. He was looking at you. By the way, my name is Jungkook and yours? Do I need to tell my name? Yeah, I could love to know. It's Ryan. You went away. Jungkook point of view. Ryan, nice name. I need to get to know about her deeply. He sparkled and went. Jungkook, again you are late. Can't you come to class earlier? I'm sorry, sir. Actually, I got stuck in a traffic. Every time, only the same reason. Stand out today. You no need to write test today. Jungkook point of view. Who will write test? I haven't studied for it. Jungkook stood outside the classroom. Jungkook, you should write this test for 5 times and come show me in my staff room tomorrow morning. Jungkook point of view. It's better to write 5 times than writing test. Okay, sir. Suddenly, Jungkook saw the same girl entering inside his class. Excuse me, sir. Who are you? Myself, Ryan, sir. Oh, so you are Ryan, which principal ma'am told. Come inside. Okay, go and sit in Jungkook place over there. You went and sat on a chair. Ryan, as everyone is writing test. Okay, sir, as he took some notebook under the table. Ryan, it's incomplete notes of Jungkook. Don't touch it. It's waste of time. Ria, after writing your test, give your note to Ryan to complete. Okay, sir. After 10 minutes, the bell rang and the professor went away. Jungkook came inside. So, it's your place? as he got up from his chair. It's okay, you sit. There's an extra chair in our class. He took the chair and sat beside you. So, why you transferred to this school? As my dad got transfer, so that's why. Oh, okay. Why? Here's the notes. You can complete your notes soon. She gave her notes to you. Okay, I will give as soon as possible as Jungkook was talking with you. He was getting disturbed because the students were making noise as the chemistry professor was absent. Be quiet, he said in loud voice, and everyone became quiet. After second periods is the lunch time. Why and come let's go to canteen to eat lunch. Okay, you got up and was about to go. Why and sit in a gang and eat your lunch. She's coming with me. He dragged your hand and went. As it's my first day, so I didn't bought my lunch with me. It's okay, I will buy lunch for you from canteen. He went and bought two lunch for himself and you. You both were eating while talking with each other. As week passed by, you became good friend of Jungkook because he really cared for you a lot. After 2 months, you got invited to your classmate Alexa birthday party, so you were choosing your outfit to wear. But you were confused what to wear. Mom, which dress will I wear for today's party? I have something for you. Wear this saree and go. It will be unique and good on you. But mom, I don't know to wear saree. I'll make you wear it. She made you wear saree. You look so beautiful in this green saree, Ryan. She kissed your forehead and then you went to the party. You came to the party and everyone was giving you a compliment to you look beautiful in a saree. Jungkook point of view, I couldn't take my eyes from Ryan. She looked so gorgeous and stunning in this saree. Suddenly got a call from your mother. Ryan, actually me and dad is going to meet aunt, so you stay at your friend's house tonight. We will come tomorrow morning. Okay mom, take care Ryan. She hung the call. Jungkook, actually mom and dad is going to aunt's house. Can I stay in your house today? Of course, Ryan. After the party, you went to Jungkook's house with him. As you came to Jungkook's house, it started raining. You really like rain, so you started dancing, and Jungkook felt happy seeing you. After 10 minutes, Jungkook took you in a bridal style and went inside his house. Jungkook, what are you doing? Ryan, I just can't control myself because I love you, Ryan. I love you too, Jungkook, he kissed you. Can we do it now? You slowly nodded your head with a shy face. You guys can imagine what happened next.